Hey mathematicians, today we're going to talk about division. Division has several parts that we're going to need to know. In order to do a long division problem, you have to first divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and you may have to repeat those steps or in the end find your remainder. Our first problem will be 2 divided into 459. First, we're going to divide the 2 into 4. We're going to ask ourselves, how many times will 2 groups of 2 come out of 4? Well, 2 groups of 2. If you're not sure, you could come make a T-chart, times 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is exactly 4, so this is the fact we're using. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So we've multiplied and we've subtracted. Next step is to bring down. 2 divides into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4, and that's as close to 5 as we can get. So I'm going to put a 2 up here. That's my division step. Now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. I will subtract now. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now I will bring down my last digit. I have 19. 2 divided into 19. If we don't know, we should finish our T-chart. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. Well, 9 times 2 equals 18, and that's as close as we can get to 19. So I'll put a 9 up here. I know that 2 will go into 19 9 times. Now I'm going to multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. Next I will subtract. It's the same steps over and over. 19 minus 18 is 1. Since I don't have anything else to bring down, my remainder is 1. My quotient, my answer to the division problem is 229, remainder 1. We can take our quotient, 229, multiply it by our divisor. The number 2 is what we divide it by, so that's our divisor. 18, 2 times 9 is 18. Place your 1 at the top. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. And I'm going to add the remainder of 1. 9, 5, 4. Since we have the number that we were dividing into, which is called our dividend, we know that our answer is correct. So we can check our division problems by using multiplication, and if we have a remainder, we have to make sure that we add in the remainder.